Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert images and photos into your video clips from your game recordings on Metal TV. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to the video editor on Metal TV, open up the given video clip or in-game recording you would like to edit, and after that guys, you may upload images and photos from your device, for example, and insert them here to your video clip, right? So this is how you can do it. What you need to do is click into library in the top left and click into import or drag file here. Locate the file on your device. I'm going to use this channel logo here and position it here on your canvas, right? You may move it where you want. So let me go, for example, move it in the bottom right corner. Then you may rotate it here, resize it, and then go also through these settings here. Make it transparent so it looks almost like a watermark for your video clips, right? And that's how you do it. You can also adjust its length here on the timeline. So as you can see, 5 seconds is the default length, but you can make it longer and adjust its length so that it aligns with the overall length of the entire video clip, right? Also here, just you can do the same with the start and move it all the way back to the start of the video clip so that the logo may be seen for the entirety of your video clip, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.